Why do 70% of people hiccup after a big meal? Let's find out. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly decides to contract involuntarily. That's what causes that familiar hic sound. But why do we hiccup in the first place? Well, it could be because you ate too fast, gulped down a fizzy drink, or maybe you just got a little too excited. Now let's talk about how to stop them. Here are some quick tips. First, hold your breath and count to 10. Second, drink a glass of water, fast. Or gently pull on your tongue. These tricks help reset your diaphragm and stop those annoying spasms. So next time you get the hiccups, don't freak out. Try these tips and say goodbye to hiccups in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.